Hi, how to prove the cosine rule. Okay, so I'm starting off with just any old triangle. Just for convenience, I've drawn one of the sides, it's the horizontal. So we want to calculate c, or c squared, in terms of a, b and theta, where theta is the angle furthest away from c. That's how the cosine rule works. So in this triangle, the first thing you do then is draw a line which is perpendicular to A and in line with the pinnacle between C and B. So that actually splits it into two triangles. So the important thing is, of course, this line is perpendicular. But because I've drawn A horizontal, it means that this line that I've drawn is actually vertical. But the important thing is it's being perpendicular. So the second line that I've drawn, we can see that the height of this line, or the length of this line then, is b times sine theta. And then in the right-hand triangle that I've caused, the length of the base of that right-hand triangle is now b cos theta, which I've subtracted from the overall length a. So on the left-hand triangle, I've got the same height, which is the same b sine theta, and the base is a minus b cos theta. So when we transfer these dimensions, we just use the triangle on the left on its own. So we've got just which is not a right-angled triangle. And obviously that line which I've drawn, and I've now drawn it in a solid. So I've got a right-angled triangle where the base is a minus b cos theta, and the height is b sine theta. So all I do now is I'm going to do some Pythagoras on this. So we know that c squared, it's the square of the bottom side, is it adjacent, and then plus the square of, which is a minus b cos theta, plus the square of the height, which is b sine theta. So now I expand the square, then you've got c squared equals a squared minus 2ab cos theta, and then plus b squared cos theta, cos squared theta, and then the height squared then is b squared sine squared theta. So the cos squared plus sine squared obviously go together to make 1, so this last term is just b squared, which means then that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos theta. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.